Today, I am super excited to share with you all-in-one collaboration platform that is designed to make teamwork simple, organized, and actually enjoyable. It's called Morningmate. What you get with Morningmate is a project management, chat, and a social feed style workspace all in one clean platform. Guys, one of the best thing about this is that you don't have to worry about juggling between different applications because you get everything all in one single space. How cool is that? Now, Morningmate is built in to be easy enough for anyone to start using it right away. So even if you're not super technical, this makes it super easy for you to use because of the simplicity and it's easy to use platform. So think of Morningmate as your modern hub where you have your messages, you have your files, tasks, all living together in one single space. No more scattered tools, lost information, or even messy Slack and email threads. So you will easily get familiar with your social feed interface where your teams and your members can post, update, comment, share files, and manage your products all in real time. How amazing is that? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump right into my dashboard and start showing you around of some of the super cool features of Morningmate. So once you log in, you've been greeted with this simply and easy to use dashboard. And at the top there, you can see that not only do you have the web app version, but you also have it available for Windows and Mac. So if you need to download this on your PC, you can easily download and install it on your PC. You also have quick access to your own personal apps, such as your Google apps, your Chat GPT, and if you want to add more, you can simply go ahead and add more apps such as Notion if you're using Notion, Figma, Gemini, whatever it is. You have a bunch of other useful apps that you can go ahead. All you have to do is enter the name, go ahead and put the link, and you'll be able to connect them. So that's pretty cool. And I also want to mention that Morningmate integrates AI massively. And there are three major areas that I want to mention around AI, which I'm going to touch on a bit later. But let's start with this soon to be released AI feature that will be a game changer. And this is expected to be released by the first quarter of next year. It's all about AI integration for services. Instead of paying for multiple AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and so forth, Morningmate integrates all of these different subscriptions separately. You'll be able to use several of these models within Morningmate under one single subscription. So you don't have to pay for extra costs. You have the power of this AI within Morningmate. And now let's dive into the ready-to-use available features in Morningmate that I really love. Another AI feature that I really love is the AI project management. So if I go ahead and click on new project management on the upper left hand side, I can go ahead and use the power of AI to create my projects. So that means that it saves you hours of setting up your projects within Excel or other complex tool. Within Morningmate, you can simply go ahead and type in whatever idea you have and just allow the AI to automatically create this for you within seconds. And I'm going to put it to the test. So right here, I'm just going to say try with AI. It's going to take me over to this space here. I'm going to simply enter whatever I want and just hit enter or go ahead and click the arrow towards the right hand side and allow AI to create it for me. So here it's simple. Go ahead and choose how do you want that style to be, whether it's a content feed, a task feed, or you want it in a Gantt chart. Let's work with the content feed for now and let's allow the AI to do its thing. Within a couple of seconds, you will see AI will generate my entire project dashboard and we have that within seconds. Right there, it's done. You just say create dashboard. Go ahead and click on create dashboard, guys, and you will see in a second the beauty that it has created. So this is it. This is the feed section of my current YouTube video creation dashboard. You also have the table you can switch between. You have the Gantt, you have the calendar view, you have files as well. So if you want to access files, activities, and you also have your insight across your entire project. So that's super cool. And AI does not stop there. You can easily go ahead and click in anywhere. So let's say you're on the feed section, you want to use the power of AI. You can easily request template to AI, or you can use AI on the lower left hand side to come up with posts. So if you're out of ideas, simply click on post with AI or post AI, and you can use the power of AI to generate whatever you want. As you can see, you have a ton of different options right here. So AI is all over this amazing platform. Now, if you look towards the lower right hand side as well, you can see that you have the power of AI. So you can use the AI to create projects, search tasks with AI, post writing templates, post daily reports with AI subtask recommendation, and even AI assignee recommendation. So guys, you can see that you have the power of AI all over this amazing platform. Now I'm going to show you a few more things around it. So as I showed you here earlier, that you have some quick access to your favorite tools that you can add here. You also can find the tasks that are assigned to you from your home dashboard, your events, and you have chats right here. On the left hand side as well, you have some options on your dashboard. So you have your projects. You can easily go ahead and find projects that you have here. If you have projects that contains multiple people, you can simply go ahead and open up those projects, work on those projects, check those projects. You already know how it looks here with a different view. So guys, if you want to speak to someone, the chat is fully integrated depending on whichever project you're in. Either find the members at the top or the bottom. So if you want to speak to someone, just simply find them in the list and click the chat on the right hand side, and this is going to pop out the chat window. Here you can go ahead and start chatting with the person, type whatever you need, hit send or enter. You can do a video conference call with them, you can attach your files, you can use emojis, and so much more. And in case you want to do a full video conference, you can click on that on the lower right hand side as well, and depending on your administrative rights as well, you'll be able to do that. How amazing is that? Now, when you think about getting notified of any task, you have your notification option on the upper right, so you can quick access as well as task. And of course, you have your personal settings here on the upper right. On the left hand side as well, guys, you have your projects as I showed you. You have your public projects. You have more such as your favorites, your unread. So all of those good stuff that you can actually find on this left hand side. If you scroll down, you have your different views such as your Gantt view, your task view, calendar. You have your files to see, bookmarks, mentions, posts, and your saved draft, right? And you also find your recent projects or things that you got involved in recently, and projects you have right here as well. And if you want to add anyone, you can simply go ahead and invite people by clicking on the invite person there and enter their email address. Then or you can share them the link, or you can invite them from your Google Contacts if you have Google Contacts set up as well. Guys, Morningmate offers so much and more. So if you're even working in a multinational team and you've been struggling with languages, Morningmate translate languages in real time in over 48 different languages. Let me show you how that works. You click your account in the upper right hand side, you click in my settings, go down to language, and from here you can set your current language. I have my current language in English, but let's say I'm working in a company and this company is in Spanish. I go ahead and I select Spanish, and all my translation will be in Spanish. So I can collaborate with my team can collaborate with me, and everything will be translated. So I'm talking about your task, your comment, your chat, or simply just the interface itself. So this simply means that if you're in an international team, you can easily collaborate with your team smoothly without worrying about any communication gap. How amazing is that, guys? And guys, the value doesn't stop there. Few more things to mention. Morningmate Advanced Plan give you unlimited access for a team of 20 to 300 people for all in one fixed price per month. So you can easily go ahead and invite your clients or external partners absolutely free. Just with one click of a button, you can add your collaborators and share a public link with them. And if you use Google Workspace, you will love how Morningmate integrates your Google Calendar, your Google Drive, and even your emails. As I showed you before, you can integrate all of these applications within Morningmate. Letting you turn events from files or even emails directly into an easy task. So here you can go ahead and you can check out the comparison between your free plan, which you will get started with if you want to check out Morningmate, the starter, the advanced, and even the enterprise plan. It comes with a ton of different benefits. I highly recommend that you check this out. And if you would like to get started with trying out Morningmate for free, you can find the link within the description of this video so that you can check out Morningmate and start exploring it. And I'm sure you will love it. Overall, guys, Morningmate is a simple yet powerful space that will keep your team connected, your project structured, and your workflow clutter-free, all in one space. So if you'd like to try Morningmate for free, find the link within the description of this video, or I'll leave a pinned comment under this video that you can get quick access to Morningmate. Guys, you'll get a 30-day free trial, and the first 100 users who will upgrade will enjoy 12 months of unlimited access with a free onboarded package of value at 3,000 US dollars. How cool is that? Guys, this is mind blowing. So you want to take full advantage and try out Morningmate today. See how it fits your workflow and let me know in the comments what you think below. Guys, and before we end here, I just want to say a special thank you to Morningmate for sponsoring today's video. I really hope that you guys will take full advantage of checking out Morningmate, trying out, take full advantage of this 30-day trial, and let me know in the comments below how you find this tool. For me, it is simply fascinating. I find it amazing, the easy to use solution, how it integrates AI, and how you can easily collaborate on an international level. You have it all in one space. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.